Servos in automatic transmissions convert hydraulic pressure acting on a piston into a mechanical force. In this transmission, a front and a rear brake band are used. A servo is required for each. The rear servo is a pressure apply spring release type. Its piston has a central stem which locates in one end of the rocker arm to transfer the apply force to the band. A lever-type spiral spring returns the servo and band to the off position when the fluid is dumped. The rear band holds the planet carrier stationary when it is engaged. It is applied in drive ranges with low ratios. The high apply force required is provided by a combination of the large diameter piston and the leverage provided by the rocker arm. Fluid at line pressure is converted to an apply force by the piston, and this acts on the longer end of the rocker arm. The apply force is multiplied to about 5 times its value, then applied to the free end of the band. The band contracts and wraps itself firmly around the planet carrier drum to lock the planet carrier to the casing. An adjusting screw threaded in the casing provides the anchorage point, so the band can be easily adjusted when necessary to compensate for wear.